Okay, so let's go ahead and begin early morning hustle. Shit, it's still dark, but we're still out here hustling. So the idea, what we need to first do is reinstall my package. And the reason is because I put the survey data there. And again, this is not an R class, so I need to give you access to the data easily. So when you run this is what you should see. You want to update, press 3 again like you did in the last video. Boom, bam, boom, done. Alright, so let's just double check that it worked. I'm gonna just comment this out, meaning that I'm just gonna ignore this. That means just ignore. Run this. Stop embarrassing me. And then what I'm gonna do now is start typing survey into the console. And if I see it and you see that information, tab it to autocomplete. That means it's there. That means you installed and it worked like it's supposed to do. Sorry about that. Let me do something like this. View, capital V, and then once I do this, I have access to it. Then that's a capital V, by the way. I have access to the data. Some things to note: the timestamp, section, so on and so forth. Section 4, our students in section 4, note that this is not correct data because some students that are in section 5 think that they're in section 4, but that's fine. It's fine. And so we have all the variables, and currently we have 75 entries. That's good. That's fine. All right. So with that being said, let's visualize the data. So what's big here is for you to just change what I changed in the video, and then do that when it comes to the actual lab when it asks you to create such a plot. In these particular videos, I'm actually going to do more because you're not going to do every single analysis that we're talking about in class, but you at least know where to go when it comes to actually doing this later on. And again, this is real data. This is real code, okay? So that you can use this outside of this class. So let's say, for example, we want to investigate one of the categorical binary variables. I know it says categorical. I'm actually going to say this actually will work for categorical binary as well. And so let's say one of the variables, let's look at one of the categorical binary variables. It's called collect sticker. That's the one I already pre-selected. This is whether students collect stickers or not, okay? And so what I want to do is visualize this, okay? And so the way I would want to do this is just to say that the X variable is collect stickers. And that's pretty much it in terms of the code that I've given you. Boom, got a bar plot. Only I would want you to do is change the title, say maybe it's a little sophisticated, right? Frequency, or let's say count of, what do we want to call it? Count of number of students, count of, this is hard, students, this is the hardest part. Collecting stickers, collecting stickers. Come up with a better phrase. I'm losing my mind here. Then you can just call this sticker whether. Let's do that. Maybe that sounds better. Whether students collect stickers. I think that makes sense. You can make fun of me on your own. Run this again. Now that I have that information, I have the labels on the actual graph. You can ignore this morning time. I don't know why it's showing that. That's not this class. So yeah, there we go. So that's for one categorical variable. We could even do this for that was for categorical binary. We can even do this for a categorical variable such as sticker, color, and purchase location. One quantitative variable. So this is a way for us to visualize a quantitative variable. I'm using and I didn't emphasize this. It says bar here because I'm not just not the point of this class, but it does say bar, which specifies the type of visualization you're creating. Here I'm using a box plot, and the variable. Let me go to my notes. The variable that I'm going to look at is called sticker spending limit. Sticker spending limit. So all I got to do here is change where I have X. Say sticker spending limit, and it auto completes for me. Yikes! So there, I can just run this. Don't embarrass me. Ignore the warning. And this is our sticker spending limit. Cool. The only thing here again, change the title. So let's say a box plot. Did I say a bar plot? I say count. Let's say we say 5 number summary. 5 number summary of sticker spending limit. Okay, and I have to also make this caveat. Well, let me finish. This should say, and this should not say counts. This should say spending limit, sticker spending limit, sticker. Actually, X should be sticker spending limit. Sorry about that, because that's why I put my actual variable. Sticker spending limit. And then finally, I would argue leaving Y blank. This means nothing. Actually, there's ways for me to remove this number because these numbers mean nothing. But that's not the point of this class. So I'm gonna run this, and there's my information. 5-number summary. The max, 75th percentile, 50th percentile, Q2. This is Q3, and this is Q1, 25th percentile. Come to Learning Hours if you want to know more about how to make these visualizations look different and look more aesthetically pleasing. Last but not least, we're going to look at one quantitative and one categorical. Let's see. What do I have in my notes? It's going to be spending limit and collecting stickers. Let's say collect. So now I'll complete. Collect stickers and then sticker spending limit. Sticker spending limit. And then again, without the labels, this is the information, this is the plots. And then that's good, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be a little slick. I'm just gonna take this variable up here, well, because it's the same name, whether the student collects it or not. Collect stickers or not. I'm gonna put that as X, as the X-axis, right here under labs. And then I'm gonna put this sticker spending limit here under Y in this particular graph. Sticker preference, I'm going to say the sticker preference impact, sticker preference relationship. This is doing X first. I know it's typically Y versus X. This is okay, as long as you're explaining what's going on. Relationship with, what's it called? Sticker spending limit. Sticker spending limit. Okay? Again, it says box plot. Okay, you can do that. And so then there you go. You got some plots. That's it. You did it. Amazing. Give yourself a pat on the back. And if you didn't do it, give yourself a pat on the back anyway and come to Learning Hours. All right, bye-bye.